Yeah, that you said you wanted to sleep in the barn?
Come on, you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm not playing tonight. Hey YouTube, welcome all the creators, haters, lovers, and viewers back to my channel with another video. As you can see, I'm outside, I'm standing by a barn. This is our barn. It's not abandoned. We still use it for stuff. Our shovels are in here, our lawnmowers. Dad builds some stuff in here, he cuts wood and all that. And I was thinking, yes me, I was thinking, I know I don't do that a lot, honestly. Why don't I sleep in here tonight? Thought of that is because I saw a video on YouTube of they made their friends sleep in their barn because they think their house is haunted. But that's not the reason I don't think my house is haunted. I don't want to think my house is haunted, and I don't want any vibes that my house is haunted. Okay? I don't want that. I'm black. I get creeped out by that shit. That's not the reason. The reason is my older brother Keith. He has people coming back here so much, and you know, I'm just gonna catch him. I mean, I'm not gonna catch him because we catch him all the time. There's bushes right there. That's another road that goes down another path, and those houses are not, they're abandoned. Homeless people live in those houses. From that side, one time someone stole our pit bull. He is gone now. We think they took him and brought him to a dog fight. Had him bait as a dog fight. I'm just gonna spend the night out here as long as I can, and we're gonna see what we catch tonight. So I'm gonna run this news by my mom, and we'll see what goes from there. Hey, Bubby. So guys, Barrett caught me recording. That's one of my nephews, and he had a good idea. So I'm gonna get a pallet, and I'm gonna put one of these on the ground, and I'm gonna lay on this instead of laying on the dirty floor. So yeah, I'll be back later tonight to record for you guys. And then I'm gonna leave this door open so in case anything happens and I get scared, I can run. So Bubby, if I need any help, I'm gonna come to y'all, okay? Okay guys, so I'm back at the house and I'm gonna text my mom and see if I can spend the night in the barn before I even get any further into this video. Can you record for me, please? Okay, so text it there, right there. Is it focused on the words? Yep. Okay guys, so we're just sitting chilling. Mom never texted me back yet. If you're new to my channel, if you want to join my channel, if you want to see a part of my life, this right here is going to be like the most interesting part of my life ever, because I never slept outside in the dark ever because I'm scared of the dark. Subscribe. I want you to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will get notified. You will be able to see that part of my life. And yeah.
Hey, Mom. Because I'm driving. Yeah, that you said you wanted to sleep in the barn?
Yeah, because I'm like making a video for YouTube.
And you have to sleep in it to make the video?
Well, I don't have to, but I want to.
I think you're an idiot.
So it's a yes?
I don't care, but I don't think you're going to stay out there. I think the mosquitoes are going to carry you off.
I'll get some mosquito spray.
Whatever, just leave the house unlocked so you can come in.
I'll leave the back door unlocked. And I'll be doing it. Sorry, I didn't know what that was. Oh, I'm really excited. Oh, bear's drowned in the ocean. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys later tonight. Get me a sleeping bag, get me a pillow. Gonna use one of these pillows over here. And yeah. I got my curved knife just in case anyone wants to try to attack me. And I have Taekwondo, I'm a first degree black belt. So, but you know, if that doesn't work, I have my knife. And I'm probably gonna bring my pepper spray as well. And I have me a flashlight with some extra batteries. Off spray for mosquitoes. I don't think there's gonna be mosquitoes tonight because it's cold. So yeah, we'll see what else I'll need, and I'll see you guys at the barn. Okay guys, so we are going to the barn. So yeah, Kimmy's coming with me, by the way. If y'all didn't know that, yeah, Kimmy's coming with me.
Kylie, turn your music down.
Kimmy, shut up. Okay, so we're going to the barn.
Stop the chili first because I'm gonna.
And Kimmy wants to get a Coke. Well, guys, we're in the barn right now, and I'm just gonna turn on the lights because I'm not sitting in here with the lights off. Yeah. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna still here. Because that is where the homeless man lives, and who knows what he does at night.
What homeless man?
The homeless guy.
What homeless guy?
The guy that walks down our road.
He walks down the road. When does he walk down?
He walks down our road, comes down here, and goes to his house. Okay, I thought I saw a person over there. What?
Why he doesn't come to our... No, that man died. You remember?
Did my flashlight turn off? Oh, that was me.
Didn't you remember he died?
No, his wife died and dad. We're not talking about this on camera. Okay, guys, so this is like some real scary shit.
I'm scared. You owe me a pack of gummies for this.
No, I don't.
So you're not...
You wanted to come. Oh my god, that cat scared the heck out of me. I'm sorry if you guys can't see anything. This light is really shitty. Whoa, what you doing? You leaving? Okay. Look at the moon. It's almost full. Almost full. This is like the scariest part of the house, though, by the camper.
I hate leaving in the...
We're gonna go down. See? Four-wheeler tracks. Kimmy, don't be leaving me. You want me to die alone?
Yup.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna be dying alone if you're with me. I mean...
We live in the middle of nowhere.
What? I'm not playing. What was that? Bear's just laughing at me.
Bear's looking out the window at us.
Okay, so I didn't get a sleeping bag because I'm probably not gonna sleep out here. Whoa.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we're gonna like look. Like, you see the camper right there? I don't know if y'all see that, but like...
Krissi, we would be the perfect two.
What if there's like someone in our camper?
Stop playing.
Like, it has to be on for like the air conditioner or something so it doesn't get moldy or something, but like, what if someone's really in there?
Krissi, stop playing with me.
Look, let's go this way. Come
Krissi, I'm scared.
Come on, Kimmy. Whoa, somebody threw a rock. No, I'm serious. Did you kick a rock?
No, I'm saying no, I kicked a rock. Somebody threw a rock.
What? Hey! I'm gonna fucking hurt you.
Krissi, why
Guys, over there I heard like a rock get thrown. Like someone either kicked a rock or threw a rock.
It wasn't me though. What is it? Man. Oh, I'm going over there.
This probably isn't a good idea. Damn
What's
it.
that light over there?
What? The moon is really bright tonight, actually. I'm really happy. That's like where the path where the homeless man goes. It's like tire tracks. If you can kind of see him put the flashlight on the ground. Yeah, it's like tire tracks.
Did this used to be a road?
This is a road. People go down here. People live down that way. Stop breathing heavy like that.
You know off those horror movies? You know off of You know Michael Myers, that movie?
Kimmy, shut up. Don't talk about that.
You gonna see it?
No, I'm not going to see. What the hell you think I am? I'm a black person. Black people get scared by that shit. Keith said he's not sleeping tonight because he saw it. Kimmy, why'd you... Oh my god! No, it was in front of the camper. I don't want to be behind you. Oh my god.
Krissi!
What? Kimmy, the house.
This one.
Oh my god, that window's open.
It wasn't open when we came in here.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. Like, I'm so far.
This one. Kimmy says this window wasn't open when we came in
I
here.
lied. It probably wasn't. This soda. 150 calories per can. Let's go. Let's be fun and interactive. Life's too strong.
Wait.
Turn it off and on.
Okay, so I got my knife, guys. I can't see anything. This light's blinding me. Kimmy, get in front of me.
I'm like, that's all no.
I got my knife, so if anyone jumps out in front of me. I know Taekwondo.
You accidentally end up stabbing me. I'm not playing.
I know Taekwondo, but you know, if that doesn't work, I got a knife. Or right in the throat. Slit their throat. Just like that. Dead.
I don't have a
You want to go down the path?
Yeah.
Okay, you get in front of me. I'm holding the camera. Get in front of me.
Okay, come on, slide.
Go! You're stopping. Kimmy, you're pissing me off.
Krissi,
I'm scaring the hell out of me. You want my knife? Here, have my knife. Oh. Wait, my light turned off.
Camera's on.
Okay. Got my knife. Kimmy, you need to stop. You need to stop.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what is that? It's not funny. Where's my... It's not funny. Dang, it's blurry. Okay, so guys, I saw like something white laying on the ground over there. And I was trying to run. Press the light again, Kimmy. Press it again. It's red. But I saw some white. Wait, let me get this to focus. Hold up, I'll be right back. No, I wasn't. I was trying to climb the thing, and then you started screaming, so I tried going faster and I fell.
You fell. It was funny. I don't give a fuck. That was funny.
Look at my pants. Look at them. I got them all dirty.
What if we died in the middle of nowhere?
And I slipped. Look at all my shoes.
I only gotta live here for 4 more years.
Huh?
And y'all gonna leave me.
Look at all my shoes. They all muddy.
All by myself.
Oh my god, my camera's even dirty.
We're not like motion people.
Oh my god. Is that? What's that?
What? Krissi, stop playing with him. Krissi, I'm gonna get you back though.
No, you won't.
Why would you think we'd have another one?
Because there's another guy who lives back here. Oh, there's like someone's been breaking into Jennifer's house too. And it's not Keith or you because y'all at school.
Wait, what? Krissi.
I'm scared.
Wait, what? Who goes to Jennifer's house?
Stop flushing it away.
Who goes to Jennifer's house?
Someone's been breaking into the house.
Okay.
Whoa. I need to pee. I really need to pee. I'm not playing. I need to pee.
You heard somebody walking right there, right?
Yes. No. It was in the bushes.
Krissi, what? I'm moving.
Oh my god. Kimmy! Did you flash the light on the window?
No! Stop scaring me. I'm not scared.
Give me it. Let me show you what I saw. Look, guys. So you see that window? There's always flashing. And I saw this. Wait. I saw this. Well, the flash and then it goes down like that.
Did I do that? Wait, let's see. I can't even do that from all the way.
Did you flash it towards me?
Yeah, I think I did.
I'm gonna cry.
I'm a man. I can handle myself.
I'm going in.
What did you watch? I have to see it. Yeah, I'm not seeing it.
I'm going inside.
Krissi, we're not done. You're being a
I just saw something walk right there and I heard feet steps.
Yeah, but we got... What the fuck?
Okay, guys, so Kimmy's gonna take over right now. I really gotta go pee.
Where?
Like, I really have to go pee. I'm gonna use Jennifer's bathroom.
No, I'm not going by myself, no.
I need to pee.
Okay, I'm just hold the camera then.
Just like walk right here. You don't have to walk back there.
Why is it recording?
Talk to him or something. I started recording.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go by myself and then I'm gonna stop recording it.
Put it on your face. It's like a reaction.
Nah. Krissi, don't leave me. So, I'm gonna stop recording it and leave because I'm scared. So yeah.
2 hours later.
You're not finna walk it, but I'm sorry.
Okay, so Kimmy's gonna go into the schoolhouse because we've never been in here for a while. It's really dirty, so mind the dirtiness. Look at all these dead ladybugs.
Why are there so much? Who did another Dr. Pepper? See, Keith won't drink one in here. See, somebody had to come in her house and drink one because.
Is that why this door is always open sometimes?
Somebody stole one and they're right there. Oh. I'm going home.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. I'm too fucking scared. I'm black, so you know I'm extra scared. Hope you guys, if you enjoyed this video, like this video, leave a big ol' like and comment down below if you saw anything. Hopefully you didn't see anything and we won't have to make like extra videos about this.
We heard somebody walking.
We heard somebody walking twice. We saw something. Kimmy saw something in the camper. What the fuck? Cuddy, don't be scaring us like that. What the hell? You can't scare us like that.
Turn the lights on.
Oh. Hope you guys like this video. You want me to do more scary videos like this? Since it's October, let's do some Halloween videos. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.